Alright.
Yeah. Just
Phone ready? Get the phone ready. Ready? Sit down.
Come make we ring the alarm. I Mr. Bring the alarm. Mr.
Maggie Films.
Maggie.
take it or leave it. Yeah, take it or what?
Okay.
It's 11:59 and you left me on red. Yeah. You got me going crazy. Is there something how you say? I felt so lonely, too much room in my bed. Now you living rent free inside of my head. I need you to tell me that you really want me. All I see is 3 dots and now I'm getting hungry. Yeah. The last time I saw you, you left in a hurry. I'm drunk in love and I'm sipping on dirty.
Bossy. Yeah, you know, say, me not feel good. It come like if you have me and we are take me done. Yeah, so me I'll go to the doctor and get one sick leave. Me now can able to come in today. Alright.
Cha la 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 la. Morning. Morning. Who there? Bossy. Miss Lady. Wait, I go on Big Boss. Morning.
Man, where the pan? Where are you with?
Yeah, I'm a general man.
No, someone talk to you about something though.
Seen. Yeah man, a simple thing man.
No man, but I know you have to do come in with me and go there so.
See, you know one cheetah. Real, my general, you know.
Yo,
General, I don't know. Big up yourself, man.
no say, between me and you, bossy,
See.
contract kind of done for this area still. You understand what I try to say?
Yeah, man.
You sure, bossy?
Yeah, man, I overstand, man. Is it? A normal procedure, man. Because I know so we all do work, and is it?
True, so,
Go back down there. So me tell the man, say, me a fall back down there and me just let go that area there for you, is it?
I give a piece of money still, you know.
So I don't know if you want to take me back down there, is it?
I give a piece of money that must can serve you till you find a work or you get a new job. But me go want to stay far from the yard.
Oh.
But you see for now, see 5 days them left in a week, you can go and work. But remember me tell you the key word is to stay far from this yard.
So I fire my big boss. I must me give up every work here in my general. My bridging them and me do joke work with. When I turn up back, me have all piece of work down there work when I win. I'm gonna turn up back down there up on my next work when I have up so I left up this up here.
Listen to me, no big man. I not depend that with you. I not depend on one bag of chatting. I say a thing and I mean a thing. I give a piece of money that must can serve you. One go look at next work. But as from today when I say stay for the rest of 5 days and I left in a week.
I really am, man, you know. Find the next work, man, that's it.
Like how you deal with the yard still. Yard cut clean.
So
But as I say, kinda low on funds. That's
okay, I understand then, man, that's it.
one of the main thing them.
Know yourself, man. Yo, sometime coffee, sometime tea in general.
True, man.
I say me reach out there. If nothing go on for me, say do you something have to go on for you, because we are better in my youth.
Far where you come from,
And we
you know?
have to loyal to each other in my general, you know.
Far where you come from,
Far
bro.
we come from general, say no worry. See?
When you see me now work,
That's
man,
very
because me deal with the work today. If you see me now work,
Oh.
you must know that go.
Oh, you get fire, them fire,
No,
yeah.
me
You don't have to tell them.
Alright.
Thing good. Just a code. Me
Yeah,
understand
man.
the whole work.
Just go and do it, though.
Yeah, man.
Big up
Just go
yourself.
and do what I do for the rest of 5 days and
Alright, then
understand.
alright.
That's it.
Yeah, bro.
Don't pretend.
B, where you go?
Listen. Last night we make a deal, though.
Of course.
Of course. So why you they go against the deal smartly?
How me they go against the deal, B?
You think me don't know what they do?
What me they do? Me not accept the deal already for last night.
Listen. Stop use reverse psychology for me, because me know say you're up to something and you're out there, so where they run away youth for? What was the deal that we make?
Your deal was to get pregnant by my best friend.
Yes, so where they run him away for? Me figure me supposed to get pregnant by him. So listen, if you want me to go me yard, tell me so me can left. Cause it come like say something do up your side your head. Me know where they do you would. So stop going like say you're idiot because we make a deal already.
Alright. What you want me to do?
Go back round there so and tell the youth say the job is permanent. So you go round there so go reason with him and tell him say listen, the work is permanent, same way for you, so you now go bother go nowhere. You get what me I say? Eh?
Yo, Walmart!
Yo!
Come in there, my general.
Yes, boss. Yes, my general.
Yo, you go stay now, you go work permanent. So,
I work permanent.
yeah, just
It's easy, you know. Big up.
Yo, just work, bro.
Alright. No, but I stress it. Yo, you look like you stress yourself, so, man.
No, I'm more
Yo, look at him, man. Look at him. You see when me work, if I don't to stay so with the money, man, me go and wait, brother. Just make sure there's a little food there and me work, brother. I'm tell you, man.
True, man.
I'm not hungry. Me go and work, my general. I'm tell you, man.
True, man, I like when you look in the bush up, you know, make myself out.
Everything, me did the phone, brother. We run and say my thoughts.
Alright, bro.
You see it?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I saw fire me I like run as a boss, man. You see it? Work me I work, man. You take a chicken me I jerk. Sure.
Walmart.
Yeah.
Now go down on the road, so not too far walking distance. Me not stay long. Me don't want to go around there so none tall. Preferably you just stand right there so. Don't go around there so me say no.
Yeah, man.
So right down there so me I going no.
Do your thing, man.
Alright. Right there so. No go alright. You can go out there so but don't pass the gate. Don't go through the gate. Me soon coming up.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hello. Come here. Come around here. Come. The reason why I call you round here so want some more brush up. Cause no matter how you clean it,
Yeah.
it come like it just a grow back. You understand? So just stay around here, so here?
I understand, man.
Yeah, stay around here.
I told you rain fall out of the still.
Okay, yeah man, but
So you just trim me down some more low, right?
yeah, trim it down some more and
Alright.
you see what me I tell you? Look, you see what me I show you?
Yeah, man, I see it, man.
If me not understand it.
Alright, me I'm not out it. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Think good.
Yeah, me. We just watch how you rate the yarn. And how you chop the yarn.
Somebody in them thing, man. Go right down to the drum, not carry us, yeah?
Okay. Hey, come here.
Yes, miss.
Do you want something to drink?
Yeah, man, when I drink something coolest.
Okay, well, go inside and look for the drinks so you want. And listen, you see from now on, feel free to come inside anytime you want. You don't have to ask me anything. Just go inside, do what you feel like to do. Just make yourself at home. Okay, so you can go on inside, go take out the juice, what you want.
Sure.
Yeah, man, me sure.
To pass it, never mind still. You can go feed man, and it just like some water, please.
Listen, I insist. Go inside and take the juice that you want.
Where, in that fridge?
Yes, in the fridge.
What kind of drinks you have in there, sir, please?
I have soda in there. I have box drinks. Go and take the one that you want.
Alright.
Why is...
No, true, me no really, me never go in there yet, understand, sir?
Okay.
Alright.
Well, I'm here, so let's say you can go inside.
Alright.
Oh,
Thank you, miss, yeah?
you're welcome.
You're to the box drinks, yeah?
Yeah, you all right.
Yeah.
Feel free to come again. Okay?
What really about? So look.
Hello, handsome. You good?
Yeah, man, we there, man. You alright?
Yeah, ma'am, you're right. Now me see you.
Hardly I see you lock up in the house.
Oh, God, if me didn't know you was here, we'd have come out more often.
You know, easy, you know.
He's a handsome man, you know.
No true.
Like how you do the gardening, you're fit and you're muscle and your back strong.
No true. Oh, that's a still, huh?
All right, me I gotta look for my knees. Well, good, yeah. What, my niece?
And you
You're right. Oh,
Yeah.
God, we're glad to see you. We can another day.
True.
So, hold on. How me can't read this your face?
What happened?
No, man. Yesterday, me come in and you're up on the sofa and your face did say kind of sad. Today, me come in and your face kind of happy and a glow. Girl, I want to make your face glow, so.
When that?
No, last night. You forget, last night you me come in, oh God. You look so down, baby girl. Look like some word of encouragement work.
Well, yeah, man, it work.
So, baby girl, when you leave?
Auntie, me not bother leave.
Eh? You really are Tanya in the bag of problem?
Auntie, everything good.
And so me I say, because before when you say everything good, your face miserable up. Or when you say it now, you have a broke a little smile. Something to tell me. Make sure, you know, you can tell me, you know.
No, Auntie, me not have nothing to tell you at all. More than everything, just good. You understand? Yeah.
Me know that the smile, you know. And the dirty sugar foot boy, I put that the smile on your face.
But Auntie, alright though.
Yeah, man. Me good. Me very good.
Well, good to know. Just stay here, look out.
All right. We take time, get ready for leave.
Alright, my Auntie.
All right. Oh! Your mother say she gonna send something for me to you through Western Union. You talk to her?
Yeah, man, my Auntie. Me did talk to her. But Auntie. One more thing. Me go collect the money for you.
Thank
When
you.
mommy send it. But Auntie, don't tell mommy nothing where I go on. Please, me I beg you.
All right. All right. Me I keep stum here.
me, auntie. That's why I feel love you, you know.
Me love you too, my niece. Me love you too. Let me know when you hear from her so me know what to do. You know what? Me take time go back around to my quarters, you know, cause suddenly the ear not so nice. Why my rush so far? Why I broke him neck so far?
Auntie, where's the ground?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Alright,
Later, here?
little more. Let me know, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Everything good, bossy?
Yeah, man, Walmart. Everything good, man.
Your sick leave must done, you know. You must go back to work.
Walmart.
Yeah, bossy.
You tell us me no want to see you nowhere in my yard, bossy. You don't understand that. You don't understand that, big man.
Bossy, your lady call me when I say, you know.
How,
I don't understand. Oh, your lady call me when I say, yeah, say me not to steer on so. Alright, me working a boss. I'm just take a 1-5, boss.
how for yard? For me or for me lady?
Are
How
you,
bring you come here?
are you, my general? But you know have to protect yourself, my general. You know, say everything good, my general, man.
Yo, everything can good, brother. Everything can good. You go around me lab, bro. Me go fire, you know.
No, man. Nobody fire me, man, general. I'm
Me
going to
tell us
general.
if it's...
I go on the law, man.
Brother, just listen to what me have to say. And do what me say for do.
Yeah, man, a normal procedure, my general. A normal
You
code,
come
man.
back over here none tall, bro.
So I'm going to just cut down the
Just,
yard.
yeah, just cut out on the front
Alright, a
page.
normal, how do you, man? A normal thing, then.
Normal, go on, go on, go on, and I come back.
Listen. And me tell him say, if you stay around here so and chop out right here so you see it because it a grow back.
So what you try do? You try predict what me say to him, man. How you know what me say to him? How you know that? I reason me and the man around this a reason, you know. But we own a situation, different thing. We own a business we are chat about.
Okay then. Walmart,
Yes, miss.
come here.
How is this happen, miss? Around us, I deal with something, you know, miss.
Oh, do your thing around here so.
How are run the place? Are you are a general? Because general has to stay around us and you have to stay around us. How are you going?
Me I run the place. Stay around here so and look. Me don't tell us say round here so are the most important spot. Look. Round here so bush up back.
So you talk to the general about it already? Because you don't know where you're going.
Walmart, everything is good, just stay around here so.
And boss a man run place still, you know. You understand? So
Yeah, but just stay around here so.
the big man I say, "Ray, you don't know." Alright. We'll stay around us. Yeah. You tell him though. No, I just say if you tell him.
No work, ya work.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, get paid, right?
Alright. Yeah, alright. You must tell him.
Walmart. Come here. Come here. I want you to dance for me. Yeah, like, yeah, I want you to dance for me because guess what? Other day I see you dance, I really love you dancing. So, come give me, dance to me.
You know, easy, you know.
Ah!
You like that?
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Brother,
Eh?
me not talk to you already.
No, I lady, so I lady
But,
showed me,
brother, me not talk to
You
you.
know,
Yo,
confused, my brother.
I'm gonna mash up your face. Move and go on, some man. Move. Move, me say, brother.
Confused, my brother, man.
Move, no bad man.
I move, man.
Brother, move her up now.
So, the deal not start yet.
Yeah.
Or, you got choose for fast run the deal. How you know what?
But me
What happened?
nah do nothing.
No, what happened? Me I ask her if you not start. You
You
start
start.
yet?
So you know must know say start. Me not tell her already.
Me hear a while ago, you know. Me hear her run him. But move!
No, you know hear me run him. Come in and run him. Why would I?
No, listen. Me know what you do. So listen. Remove yourself from in front of me and go on there so go apologize to him. Like actually no.
Me I talk to him. Me I talk to him. No worry head. Me I talk to him.
And talking come with apologies.
Yo Walmart. Yo. Walmart.
Yo.
Look at that brother.
Hold on. Why is half a block in the way?
So brother.
I'm kind of afraid of road, so still no boss. Because I don't like how you do me, you see it?
Brother, so you really feel say.
Bridging to bridging, brother. I don't like how you do me, boss, you see it?
So you really feel say what me I do? Me mean it or me serious? Just test me and test how powerful you be, how weak your mentality be. Me no mean no way, bro. No far where you come from.
So you're a friend, man, sir.
Brother, me just a test you, brother. You know say you're weak,
Yo.
bro.
No, what kind of weak, man? But yo, show me not used to this way.
You're
Me not
weak,
used to
brother.
this way, yeah, yo.
Cause you fi make me know say, oh, brother, we no friend. We a run me for, bro.
Yo, cause right now, you make me a pretty far, brother, like me. I said, no, I'm not G this.
No, sir.
Yo.
How you know me that?
Yo, we can't believe, brother.
Brother, remember say we a good friend, you
don't
know.
do that again, brother. Cause yo, you make me start pray, bro. You make me say, what? What do you do? What the daughter and mother out to? And that me say, no?
You're mad. Bro, how far where I come from, brother? From
Yo,
school
don't
days,
do that
bro.
again, brother. You to frighten me, you know?
I just test me and test
You
you, bro.
deal me from when, bro? Me I said, no, I do that. Yo, don't
test
me
you,
say
bro.
again, man.
The woman come to you and say, no, I tell him, say, yo, I saw we run joke from school
So,
days.
then I saw.
Yeah, man, we run, be a
A
joke.
psychologist I work for, so you're a bright boy now. You.
Yo, just stay out there, sir, man.
So, said we.
Yeah, man, stay out there, sir, man. Just chop your front. Chop out on the front, there, sir.
Ah.
Remember, you know, when woman come to you and tell you, say, I saw we run joke, we run serious joke.
Ah.
Yeah.
So,
No come back in our yard until me call them.
John, no. Alright.
Yeah. Bossy. Yeah, I did jump off on 5 days sick leave, you know. Yeah, cause I flew upon me. Yeah, it flew upon me, so me now get to come out within 5 days time. Yeah. Alright, my general.
upset? Why you mad? Why you mad? Tell him why you mad. If you need a loan, you should probably
Dalton!
need to get it brown. I can send a bus pass. I'll be in my suite. The bottle must have top shelf, everything we elevated.
What do you want?
Dalton, my contact. Is he here?
We only doing 30, ain't no hurry about it. Bust down for my
You can come around, you know.
clarity. They tell me that
I don't hold any grudges against you. You can come around. Dalton!
Yeah?
Your baby mother is here.
Yeah, what y'all say?
I'm here to talk to you.
Darling, I told her to come around.
But I would not fighting, you know.
Baby, I don't have time for that.
Can I have a word with him? Can I have a word with him?
Listen, anything where you talk to him about, talk it right as in a public. Cause
Anyways.
hide again.
Anyways, me need the money. Me need money for that clinic. Me need money for that clinic.
Me not have no money.
Say if you not no money.
You def say me not have
How if you not no money? I me tell us if you breed me. Where money there?
Me not have
So like
no
a
money.
broke pocket boy, man. You just broke so. Pass up the money now.
But me not have no money, me not have none.
Hey, me say. Money.
Hello. Give the young lady the money. Don't you put something in there.
But B, me not have no money.
So you have to breed people that are not no money. Huh?
You just broke so. You just broke. If I want him, I
Anyways,
just worry yourself.
I can help out your
Me not want nothing
situation.
from you. I him forgive him. Are you breed me?
Young lady, we were best friend before, right? Not because we are the best friend. It give you all the rights to come in here so and raise a voice. Lower your tone.
Tell
Lower
me
your
no
voice.
business. Tell a man to give me money. I'm time for breed me. Why money there? So that boy I just you're so broke. Like a broke pocket boy. Why money there? Me can't be say I breed people you can't afford nothing. Just damn broke. Just sit my stomach.
A 15,000 this. Take it and give your booty peg, make she come out of the yard.
Give me this, I can't believe why you give me nothing. I just sit my stomach. I don't like you. You're trying to deal back with me there. I don't from my pick me all crosses boy.
Put your mortgage on my neck, and you looking teed off like a golfer. You upset? Why you mad? Why you mad? Tell him why you mad. If you need a loan, you should probably just ask. If you need to get it brown, I can send a bus pass. I'll be in my suite with a bottle must have top shelf, everything we elevated, and we just keep on pouring up. Man, I'm glad we made it. Feels so good to be so rich, ain't gotta worry about it.
B,
Why we only do
I go back to work, you know, my 5 days sick leave up.
Okay.
So you know where that go. So later.
Aye.
Morning, bossy.
Morning. Like you just a come and work, man.
Yeah, I don't know, because I'm kind of wait late this morning, I know. Sorry about the lateness in general, I know.
That good, man.
For real.
Yo, me I make a fast run go down there so and come back, you know.
Oh,
I want to deal with mostly up on the front.
See it.
But I feel like I walk me a go, you know. Me I deal with something fast and come back, me say.
Just go ahead, my general. I'm there, alright, man.
You can't start front till me come back.
Alright, no problem, my general. That's it.
Alright. Big up yourself.
Big up yourself, my general. That's it.
Yeah.
I know long more on the sick leave if you up. Approach you. A long time if you go back to work. much time I tell her say around I say you fi do, eh?
No,
Eh?
so general, I was just around or something.
Alright, listen. Chop out the little part here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, chop out the little part here, like right now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you just stand here really want to chop.
Alright. Come on around here, so.
So, yes, sir.
Yeah. Do right here, so.
But yeah, so don't deal it already too.
But no, man, see something like a...
Alright, me brush down yourself a little more then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Walmart. Come here. Something in a shower and to function. So, me go want you fi go fix it for me. So, you can put on them there and hold it.
Oh, like what?
One pipe.
One teeth.
Walmart, just come now, it's not working more if you can fix it.
Okay. Oh, alright.
Yeah. Just oh my god.
Wet up my shirt, man. That's alright. You alright? Which one
I'm
you say?
so sorry. Me wet up your shirt. Alright, so just me know why you catch no cold.
No, I'm not catching no cold.
Yeah, normally when remember say a whole heap of juice just throw up on your clothes and I up here some mostly there.
No man, that good.
No,
Where's the
listen.
pipe then?
Remember say me your boss. Take off the shirt. I am going to wash it for you.
Oh yeah.
You understand?
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Now, so that good still, you know. You understand?
No, me insist. Me go wash the shirt for you.
Alright. Can I wash it?
Huh? Yes. Okay, so come, let me share the shower. Come around here, man. Don't be afraid.
You know, so that gardener boy and nobody for trust. Me know say my old whore, you know. Watch. You think I saw it a go? Watch this. Watch him. Watch how him a smile like he happy. I make me a false promise. Him no know who me be, you know. Him no know who me be. Watch me and she too. Watch him. I'll take off shirt too, and then a sudden little brook come I work, you know. Watch me and him. And I watch how me smile too. Me know, you know. Me know. Watch. Watch. It nah go so. Watch.
Girl, right now I'm so happy. Jessica betray me, but a part of life, you know. Yeah, girl, right now, me don't know how fit. Girl, stop. Me just tell you, so me don't know how fit thank God right now to how me just happy, girl. How me so happy? Girl, you don't worry about that. And it, girl, just you dey stick your nose too much in my business, and you know, me not like that. Eh. Alright. Girl, me soon call her back here. Yeah, man, me soon call her back. Auntie, how make you look for me so?
You know, say I joke there, mate, man.
Oh,
Yeah, one little joke with you. If you take little joke, man, you're too tense.
So you do alright?
Yeah, man, we good, you?
Yeah.
Me know why you so happy, in a girl. Me know why you so happy.
Why me happy, Auntie? Why?
You and me know. Come, man. You can't tell me, you know. You and me know.
Me and you know what, Auntie? Me no know what you talk about. Honestly, me no know what you talk about.
Yeah. And me, I deal with so. After me and you so close.
Auntie, just get to the point.
We
What
get
you
to the
talking
point,
about?
Man. You look like so you get through with the old gardener, man. Not true?
Auntie, where you get them a story from?
Story? Hey. Me not come around here cause see you lock up in there so with him. Yeah? And I hear you.
Why? Why, God? Boy, Auntie, you're not easy, no, man. You're not easy, you know.
No. Hey.
Auntie. Auntie. Give me some privacy and just mind your own business.
And so you deal with me. We don't know already, man. We glad for you. And that for go on. And I me encourage it. So, tell me something. Them go on good?
Auntie, mind your own business. What you come around here, sir, antagonize me for now, Auntie? Eh?
Antagonize
Me
you.
know me, but
You're happy, my niece.
Alright.
You're happy.
check me back later. Check me back later. My head kind of hurt me, I know.
Alright.
Ow. Check me back later, Auntie.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah.
I'll check you back later. I hope your head feels better. Yeah.
Yes, Auntie, yes.
Kiss it better feel.
Alright. Alright.
Later.
Yes, Auntie. What a woman inquisitive, man. Che. Yeah, girl. So what me there say now? No, girl. I'm a troublemaker auntie. Yes, and she's my favorite, you know. I'm my best that. But anyways, as I'm there say, girl, I'm literally happy right now. I'm literally happy right now, girl. Yeah, but anyways,
Then away boy shut at winner.
Alright.
But I'll pull up. Be away boy shut at winner. Be away boy shut at winner. Look at me. Be away man, then I'll pull up. Boy shut at winner. Be away I try to say something happened today. Ben pull up, something happened. When me go to work.
So that no deal, B.
Look here.
That no deal.
My best. Yo, me not stick out to no more deal, I've got left. All the boy, you have got left to come, me not stick out to no more deal. Come here. You know, me look like I'm not proud in this. You better pack up your things and left. Yo, pack up your things and leave to you out. Because I don't know what kind of disrespect this set upon me, man. And I'm one to place you out.
Leave.
You have to left, you know, you out. You have to pack your bag and leave now. You have to leave you out, pack your bag and left, brother. Left my place.
Really? You really want me to leave?
Of course, brother.
Well, guess what? He didn't use any protection today. So, that means he impregnate me. So, you really want me to left? So, your little family then can know, say, your gardener get me impregnate? Huh? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna live with him. Because I feel him child me I carry now, you know. So me have to go live with him. Okay. Leave you want, leave you're going to get.
B, where you go? Go put on them there. Go put on them here. And go back on there, so. Where you go?
Stop, hello.
Go put on back your bag there.
Don't.
I mean, want people look upon like a clown. You better go put on back your bag them. B, you hear me say? Go put on back your bag them, eh? Put them down back. You feel I left my place. You feel like I left my place and make people look upon me like a idiot and me a gangster in the road.
Fine. I'll put them down.
It's 11:59 and you left me on
So,
red.
tell me something. Why you want to come to Beach Bunny?
Babes, me walking past the beach more times and me want chill out like the tourists them and sit down and cock up my foot and take in sun and drink some cocktail and thing.
Easy, you know. Hey, look here, remember me tell you I used to work yesterday, you know?
Oh, for real?
Yes.
Okay.
I said I have to do work and do all them things there. See, that the man that take over my work there. Well, I'm my fault still. Because to me have too much work I do them tell me say, yo, look at the man, don't come back. But me and the manager lady, a friend see you, so I came up on the beach see you.
That me love.
I never know see you know them places.
Yeah, man, a high class woman you there with, you know.
Sure, come on. I know, easy, you know. Nice too, baby.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
So do you, that's why you come.
You see all the borrow there? I'm my borrow, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Don't know where you're going, huh? Yeah, man. All of them places, man, I used to prune them up, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that's what,
I used to take on my work, man. I have some used to work, you know. One day I work for. Alright, me general look at me crown. I am for one day. You know?
okay, that's good for us. More time for sports.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, nice one. So, before we go up on the beach, you go want something to drink, right?
Yeah, you know my drink already. I want plenty ice.
Then what you want?
Cran water, one of them cran water, whichever one them have. Thank you.
Money after,
You don't have no money? Alright, no problem, I got you.
Two of them pay me, then soon pay me still, you know.
Yeah man, I know how it go.
Short one, okay, we still.
Yeah man.
$100 now.
Yeah, man, and get your drink as well. Alright, I'm going to go straight on the sun, come on the water. Yeah, man, plenty ice. Please and thanks.
Me going crazy, is it something high says? Felt so lonely, too much room in my bed. Now you living rent free inside of my head. I need you to tell me that you really want me. All I see is 3 dots and now I'm getting yeah. The last time I saw you, you left in a hurry. I'm drunk in love and I'm sipping on dirty. 11:59 and you left me on red. Never felt so lonely, too much room in my bed. Now you living rent free inside of my head.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Can come close so you know I don't bite.
Don't know. Yeah.
Yes, that's better.
Woo.
Hey, it's really one of those beach chairs I did want, you know.
What the white people
Think like all of them.
they know star shall come earlier, you know?
But we can make it work, you know. Yeah, man, we can move the chair around so we can see the beach and the sun.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You gone far from me again, B.
You're too far, you then come close.
I don't like when you're too far from me, you know.
A long time I do them things, you know?
If you live life.
Ambience nice, baby.
Now you see why I wanted to come here, so.
Me too.
Everything just right.
Tell me something. You know, so all along me I hurt them. I never know say you like me.
Really?
No, I never know. Because I always miss a youth, you know. Forward and I do my work. You understand? And boy, I can't believe the morning that you just pull me in your room, so.
Me not play now.
And
I go after what I want.
Things just happen, so. You know, easy.
But you regret it?
No.
That's the main thing. That's
You know how long more I want a woman? And I love how you talk, you sound like a foreigner.
true, me travel plenty, man. True, me travel.
Yeah? So,
I used to travel.
before we go down the road, like how me and you date, see? Anything we should make it, you know, like to your niece and your niece, man, and if them know.
But hold on. Me and you depend date. It's supposed to be romantic. What you and my niece have so you bring her up in this time?
No. Your niece? I just work with them.
Really? Really? I mean, what you doing in our quarters then? Make we clear things up since we are talking. What you doing in our quarters?
Hold on, you don't say no easy.
Me no ramp when it come to my man, you know.
Look here. She called me in there to sort out one pipe where burst. Right? So the pipe me go in there to go fix.
So what kind of pipe you in there fix for my niece?
Look here, babes. What me can't pray me
What
like?
kind of pipe? Me no want my man. I fix my niece pipe, you know, it don't sound good.
No, but look here. I work with people, you know. Remember, you know. And my work that, you know. So I have to do my work. That's not a part of my function. But remember, say me is a youth where I can't do enough work. I do juke work, I do plumbing work, I do mechanic work. Every work I do.
You do the good work to be.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
I truly love you, you know. So I don't want nobody else coming between me and you.
Ah man, I just a pipe, man. She give me like the tangent and them things that I'm going to go work on it. You understand?
Make sure the plumbing pipe, you know, and the garden pipe, you know.
No, babe. So you talk to.
All right. So that
Yeah,
love.
forget that, man. So, what kind of work you say you used to do? Because, I mean, I think we have moved a little bit too fast. Yeah, we need to know something more about you, man. What kind of, you talk very nice, you say you travel. Talk to me. Tell me what I go on now.
I used to be a teacher, you know. I used to do all kind of things. I used to be in the RAF, which is the military,
RAF.
in Royal Air Force when I was in England.
Royal
man.
Air Force.
That's why I miss them in a ramp when we come to my man, you know.
That type people were sitting driving ship them.
No, the plane. Is the air.
plane,
Where's the air? The ship have to look up to we. Oh, when I play, we're the main one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
man.
you know. Yo, no. Yo. So me ask you a question. Oh, you end up with a gardener boy like me now? Cause you say you work in a Air Force. You fly plane and them thing that. So oh, you end up with a gardener boy like me with chop yard. What you seen of me? Eh? Yo, just talk to me now, babes.
That was a job. That was a career. You see, when it comes to my heart, work.
What you call so?
Work, no. That was my business. That was my work. That put the bread and butter upon my plate.
So, are that on eat for lunch?
That's what you love reading, okay, you're funny.
Hold on. You got Air Force.
No, man, it's a figure of
Cheers, baby.
speech. Cheers.
Love that, man. You see,
Cheers.
so I go to school now. I say for my brethren and my work with now. Him and bright man, and them man they used to help me. That's why I have to loyal to them man. Right to the ground. You understand? I have to loyal. When I say loyalty, I have to do the right to the ground to them youth there. When I go to school, them youth they help me. You see it? Maths and them thing there. Other day, me I tell. No, forget that part there. Today I tell somebody, you see it, something. Forget that part there, because I don't love the mix up, you know. You understand? But make it stay.
Yeah, man.
Make it stay.
Yeah, man. But it's your vibes, me love, you know.
Not true.
Me love your energy, me love your vibes, because me is a nature woman.
Not true.
Me love natural.
So, you know, say, like how me and you there now, right? Because I can call this up.
Of
No?
course.
I
Of
remember
course.
The ass done gone through the gate and we there upon a date just to know each other more. And, you know? So I'm saying, me and you can talk, right?
Of course, we have two big people.
You see, working up a yard there, right? Me I see some things. You know, say, your niece is a nice girl. Me not too like how from my brethren cheat her, so. She's a nice female man and you know, when I come there she give me like my water for drink and drinks, sandwich, you know what I mean, and she cook it and dinner. You know what I mean? I wish me did have a woman to cook my dinner, you know.
Oh, so you have a woman who cook your dinner? Eh? I mean, niece, she want to cook your dinner.
No, but when I live, me have to hide and come collect my food up a yard because I must have secret now. Me are there and that's why I say we need to make it known now.
No, man, me not like how you talk about me niece, you know. Who you want? Me or she? Which one? Make up your mind.
Hold on, baby. I'm not tell us how you want, baby.
So how she every minute I come in at this? Like say I dopey there you watch we.
No, baby. Me are reason, baby.
So we are concerned about she so far?
No, she not in that picture, baby. I tell her. We just a reason. Remember, so I know me I get to know you more, you know. I know more about your family, you know. So if me see a thing, babe, you gotta say it. Why you get so vexed?
Me tell you something I like them the things, you know. Me and you on a date, man. You know for call here. Next woman name in a power with date, man.
Baby, remember say I'm an air hostess. What you say? Aircraft.
Royal Air Force.
Remember say I'm a Royal Air Navy lady, you know, man. I don't tell you, man.
Hey, man, you know how to make me smile and things.
I mean.
Me not like it, man.
Yeah,
right, so like say you like her.
I can't see you again because you tell me about that. I never know sound or pre me, you know. Watch that out. So,
baby, that's why we have to love you, not look for you, man. What is not to love?
Hey, let me tell you something. Life have to live, baby. Yeah?
Yes, absolutely. Blessings. You can bring me on one of them boats, B?
I mean, baby. That's all I want there. Captain Clark. I'm a brethren, you know.
For real?
Man.
Okay.
Captain Clark, you know. See it there? Right on the boat, not true?
Yeah, man.
Captain
it's true.
CPT, Captain that.
Aye. You know the people, them, man.
Yeah, man.
All right. So B, I've been thinking. Going back to your place tonight?
Then up on my place I wear. In a square. Although we do it because we don't have no fear. Drop it in a new gear.
Hey, we love it, love
You
it.
know, my love,
love
I'm not share. Oh, dear man.
Oh,
So,
God.
watch out now. You know, say, you're comfortable on my place?
Well, B, I love you and everything, and with all due respect, he's a bit ratty. It's kind of
God.
chaotic down there, you know?
I say, I call my place ratty.
No, man, but you don't know. You know, Sana lie me, I tell.
One day, I go got it.
So I have to love you for it.
Just a work on it, man, because, you know, say, I say one at a time we can live together, you know.
Yes, that me a pray too.
Start a family and get some youth car. From my brother, them, every Father's Day, a girl in them call me, I tell them to jump up and chuck all that. You know?
That's true, that's true.
Someone, some youths and all, you know?
Yes, man. Yes.
Some youths and all, man.
Coming in at the two hiding thing too.
No.
It must my meds.
No, but we not hide. It's only from your niece
That's what me a talk
and
about.
from my boss, but that no matter right now. We are gonna make them know one at a time.
Well, me I go get a place, you know. Me a pray. The place too small anyway. And then that place, me not have to hide from nobody. A private place, and you can come and go and come as much as you like.
Come and go.
Come and go.
And I live, me tell you.
Yes, man. You're free that your yard. You be man a yard.
Man a yard.
Man a yard. Are you and me, no be? Kaka. Kaka. Yes, man.
Hey, I'll tell you something, yeah? Life is great. People for your money, you know. Not say rich still, no, but for your money, because look on them nice life. You see me this smaller? I tell myself, say, a basketball I'm want to be. Yeah. Because I used to pray like youth, them like Shaquille O'Neal and them youth, you know? But them say me too short, you know? Yeah. Because I didn't want to reach out and, you know, fly up. You know, so I never go up and plane it. Never come off a ground yet. All the time I come off a ground, I will climb tree.
That will change, baby. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It have to change. It will be. Talk it into
Yeah,
existence.
man, I fly one at a time.
Fly
Yeah,
high. Yeah, man.
You want to go Bahamas one at a time, you know?
Yeah, man. Bahamas nice. And we got soak up the beach.
Yo, you see all that sitting there? You see that?
Yeah, man.
See it there?
Yeah,
And them,
man.
they will go on.
Yeah, man. Oh, God.
Love them thing, man.
It got nice. We are going to do it, you know. We are going to do it this year, too.
Not too. But I don't have a passport.
Well, that's the first thing we have to sort out.
Go take a one stroll upon the beach.
Yeah, man.
Show some boys, I'm a woman, you know. Personal woman.
Of course, you're one and only.
Whoa, 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 yeah!
It's the ambassador. Hey.
What's up?
Oh, love it. I love it.
Captain Clark.
Blessings, King.
General.
Yeah, man. This is it.
Be me a go work, you know. Yo. No know how real gangster feel live with them something near you. Yo, Jaja.
Yeah, me see the gardener and your woman auntie a walk at beach. But, as me say, you not concern me. But, I not lie no still. I miss your stills, you know, I not lie. Yeah, me really miss you. You know, it's also me act sometimes. Sometimes I act after my emotions. I probably that's why me always act up. But I really miss you though.
Action.
Yeah, man, we can link up later, man. Be a one pay, man.
Yeah, but me do want to see you later still, you know, because I really miss you. And you look like your woman have no problem with that.
Yeah, man, we are link up, man. Me not tell her that already.
Me the video them still, so me I send it the video right now here.
I lie. Send me a video then, no? Send me a video. Yeah, send it now. Alright, later.
Later.
B. This morning me I go to work. That damn dirty gardener and your auntie, me see her hug up. Like him all a come from out their room. Tell me if that boy is a good boy. Fear get pregnant for.
Hold on. Why you tell lie on the people them? Huh? What that supposed to mean?
B, me not tell no lie. Them come out a hug up. Why would I tell lie? Me have all video in my phone right now when them hold and I go to beach.
Listen. You see, if you don't have no proof, no come here so. Come make no talk. You understand? Come in know why they tell lie on the people them. You not know video. You just too lie.
B, me have video in my phone and I can prove it if you want me prove it. You want me prove it?
Why you so lie? Why you this? If I didn't have video, you would have show a long time. You just too. You don't know how you come so. How you so lie, youth?
Hold it. Hold that. So me I tell lie now.
Mirror.
Yo,
Auntie.
nobody get too emotional. Like you did love him, man. You know, say man a dog. You man a dog like me. You think me alone a dog? You two are we a dog. So I really that the man you get pregnant for. You have to go do an abortion with that the baby there in your belly, you know. You have to go dash him away. Yeah, man. I saw no feel say, yo, I me want a dog. But I always remember, every man a dog out there. And not only me one, and not just me one. Every man a dog. Give me my phone. I hope you made so I just show you what I said to you.
this serious. Wonder if auntie really like the boy and I pretend so. No man. Me have to go around there right now. Auntie!
Hi.
Come out here, so me have something to ask you.
You're not done door so late for. Oh what? What do you?
Auntie, you know something I like hypocrite?
No!
All your hand there for me right now irritate me. Take it off.
Hold on, how you going so hot? What do you?
Me really want to ask you one question.
Oh what?
You and the Walmart really there?
Me? Me, baby girl! Me coulda never do you that. What me wants with the young garden boy, you mad?
And I tell me lie?
Hold on, stick a pin. Stick a pin. So, hypothetically, if me and him did that, I say myself, you would have really carry on with me?
Auntie, me have evidence. You really are telling me lie?
I know you and the Jankra boy, they were out a one song.
Auntie,
strong.
me have a video when you and Walmart there on the beach.
On
so
the
me want
beach?
to...
It wasn't me. Me don't know nothing about that. What you talk about? When me can't remember when last me go beach and live so close. Relax yourself, man. Me don't know what do you so. How me fit do you that and the whole world knows say you and him there? Eh? And you can't deny that, you know, my girl. Can me come round and me hear the do. And me hear the do. So we are going so strong fine everybody knows say you and him. Then we wouldn't do that man. Don't do it. Don't accuse me of something I do. You're nice.
Auntie, you really are tell lie. You still a tell lie. So if video when me see with the and him on the beach, awa.
What kind of video you could have seen?
How would I do?
Nothing about that.
I
Say
forge, they forge the video.
Yes, AI.
AI.
Little girl, you never know, so AI can put you where you all in a space where you not go yet. You're lucky, say, yeah, my niece, you know. Come move yourself before me do something you regret. Move yourself from in front of me.
Auntie, wait a second for do. What you really a say? What you really a say?
You know what? As a matter of fact, since you go there and you lose respect for me, obviously, yes, my girl. Me know say you like him, but him no want little girl. A woman he wants. Say yes, Walmart, I'm a man, what you gonna do?
Auntie, wait
Come on, to the face. I truly don't want to hurt you. I truly don't want to hurt you. Me don't want to hurt you. Hey girl. Me don't want to hurt you for my man. Me don't want to hurt you for my man. No. Love me man alone. A big woman in me. A big woman in me. Hey girl. I truly am in needs, you know. We am in needs. When I want you, you know. Come and love my sister. I tell it. Yeah, I'm me, really. You gonna put your you don't know me a who you know. Yeah. You don't know me a who. Come out to my face. Hey girl, you don't know me a who you know. I'm in a hole. Know that. Eh? Know that. I'm in a hole.
I'm in the leave me now.
You're lucky when I'm in here.
The wind to carry me far away from here, and
One little girl gets so much fight, man.
I'll take with me. Moments left behind.
Hey, good night, Bobby.
The sea to
Tired me out to the one.
carry me.
The arm thing, I am say good night. Be a warm to your eye. And you me a talk to no warm to your eye. How thump in your eye. All your hand, warm to your hand. Backside. Don't tell me say that. Blasted, dirty gardener boy coming and come thump in your eye and black and blue.
Listen. It good, everything good. Every single thing good.
Tell me who no be. Look for you, and some left I go work with the eye look, you know. Come back. Your eye black and blue. What happened to you? Tell me who.
Listen, I'm my auntie, but I'm me liquor first. So everything good and everything good.
So what all of this for? What caused this for your auntie have all right to black and blue your eye? I know go you go to your auntie about the video when me show you. Me tell her say you love that boy there, you know. Me tell her cause if you never so concerned, you wanna go to your auntie go show him back the video when me tell her about. You're concerned about him, not true?
You know, hear me tell us say everything good.
Everything yeah, good.
And me starty, every single thing good. So what you feel like? Why problem? What you go do? You feel like say me alone have black and blue eye?
You me call you auntie why? You got the pitney then and go born come healthy, you know. You have to go do an abortion.
You come like say something dear, you know. You know, say something really touch your brain. What you mean by me? What you just say me for do? Come to think of it, this just already register my brain. What you say me for do? You're not serious. Where just say me for do? Cause come to think of it, this just already register my brain. What you just say me for do?
You have to go do an abortion.
When? Where?
It look like you drop on the ground and a roll. The baby now go born healthy.
Shut up. Because man I don't know abortion and argument done this so. And yeah, me drop on the ground. What I like somebody then I text somebody lick. Our problem.
But it look like how you lose.
Yeah.
Look here.
See them there. And me lose. Yeah. I'm gonna get black and blue eye. What are you going to do about it? Me nah do no abortion.
Fluffy boy. And do abortion. Cause nobody feel like say me I go mind no man pick me in my house and in my own house and in my roof.
What you just say?
You deaf or you deaf?
No, me can't literally right now me deaf. What you just say?
You hard of hearing.
What you just say?
If you not do an abortion with that the pitney there and left that the nigga there, you have to go left my place cause me nah mind no man pitney under my roof.
Okay, so you want me to leave? Well, me can go pack up my things and go live with him. Cause I done my baby father, so what problem?
And the only way you can stay unless that the man don't have nothing to do with the pitney. And you don't have no contact with that the man there anymore. You have to left that the nigga there. If you want to stay. So make up your mind.
So hold on there. Hold on. A pitney where you have in a girl belly out there, which was my best friend. The unwanted pitney since I come back and tell me something to abort my child and I said my pitney go born like a handicap. The unwanted pitney where they in your girl belly. Why you never tell her to abort it? You forgot to see me see man give $100 US to give her? Eh? You want me to tell us if you give me back my money so we can use it? You see your money put power me have and go live with my baby father? Eh? Listen, just stop it talking. Just stop it talking. Cause right now, you see right now, I'm sick in my head, you know. Oh.
The world don't know say you sick in your head. And the world don't know say me sick in my head. So we have something in common. Me know say you wrong. If you go breathe for that the nigga there. And me wrong. If you go breathe that the woman there. So let me know what you do. You abort the pitney? Or you left him man? You have to choose one.
Man, I do nothing.
You don't do nothing?
Man, I do nothing. So go on. Go on if you want. Cause I not do nothing.
Don't worry yourself, you hear? Me know what to do.
Do what you want do. Do what you want do. All my auntie she me nah abort this a child because guess what? This opinion have to go ban and burn her. Argument done. Oh, I'ma soon come back for you. Hey, cause you see the job the way you give me. If you lucky say me pregnant, you know, cause I woulda nah your face around there. Watch me out no. Oh, I gonna fix you all on the case one by one. Rubbish. I'll beard off myself there.
Yo, Stinger. Yeah, me man. Me a come get a link now. Cause I want to deal with that work there for me, bro. How are you there? Alright, me a pull up in a few. Alright.
Yeah, man, grab me this out, David. Talk to me now, come ready, you know.
Yeah, boy, them want to get rid of you know. Said boy, they know.
Oh,
Want to get rid of in front of my man life.
so what, like 400,000?
What you mean, man?
Cause see, I'm ready, you know. Heavy, you know.
Fear this, sir.
No crack I eat, man. How much it?
400,000, brother, and that to say.
Alright, consider it done, man. Cause we go for boy, we know we no play, you know. So just go on, me circle it and deal with it.
Make sure mission complete, you know.
Say no more, man. You know the code already.
Alright, fully.
Yeah man, me up one of my beds in the work, you know, man. Me good I know, man, cause you don't know a permanent work, you know.
Gentle rush, yet also still.
11:59 and you left me on red. Yeah. You got me going crazy. Is there something I said? I felt so lonely, too much room in my bed. Now you living rent free inside of my head. I need you to tell me that you really want me. All I see is 3 dots and now I'm getting worried. Yeah. The last time I saw you, you left in a hurry. I'm drunk in love and I'm sipping on dirty. 11:59 and you left me on.
Maggie.